Friends, here we are talking about introduction to prompting for LLMs. See, so far in this course, we have been interacting with LLMs by sending requests such as, let's say, hi, hello, how are you? What is a simple Python program to add two numbers, right? So that means every time we send a request to an LLM and it generates a response. But here, what is that input request actually called? Simply, the input request sent to an LLM is called a prompt. So be clear, whatever the request we are sending to an LLM is called a prompt. But let me give the technical definition. See, a prompt is the input text or instruction given to a large language model to describe a task, ask a question, or request specific information. But in simple terms, prompt is how we communicate with an LLM. It is just like as we give instructions to a person, here we give prompts to an LLM. So be clear, the purpose of a prompt is to guide the LLM in generating a relevant, accurate, and meaningful response. So the better the prompt, the more likely the LLM is to generate a useful and accurate response. Actually, understanding prompts is one of the most important skills for building AI applications because every AI application begins by sending one or more prompts to an LLM. So if it is an AI application, then definitely that application has to send at least one prompt to an LLM. That's why understanding prompts is one of the most important skills for building AI applications. Let me show you a simple diagram which we already know, but once again just I want to show you that. See here, suppose if you build AI application, then user sends some request. That request we are sending to an LLM as a prompt. That's it. But be clear, the prompt may be the user's request as it is. That means whatever the user request you are getting, that we can send directly to an LLM as a prompt, or based on requirement, sometimes it may be enhanced by the AI application with additional instructions, context, or conversation history before being sent to the LLM. So that's why finally be clear, the prompt is not just what the user type, it's what the AI application finally sends to the LLM. Sometimes we may send user request as it is to an LLM, but sometimes based on requirement we will enhance user request, and that enhanced request we will send to an LLM, and that is called a prompt. So that's why the prompt is not just what the user type, it's what the AI application finally sends to the LLM. See, suppose if you see this Python script which we use to interact with the Grok LLM, right? So here if you observe, actually this is user request, and this payload we are sending to this REST API by passing model. But apart from model and user request, we are also adding one key called role, and for that value as user. So here we are not only sending a user request, we are also adding some extra information, and that information we are sending to an LLM. That means here user request has been enhanced with some additional value. So here without this or with this, finally this is a prompt. That's it. Now let me go with prompt versus traditional programming. See, if you go with the traditional programming where we write code to tell the computer exactly how to perform a task. So for that, we write algorithms using programming languages such as Python, Java, or C++, or any language, right? And here, the computer executes the instructions exactly as we've written. And For the same input, the output is usually deterministic in our traditional programming. And coming to AI programming, here I am keeping AI programming is also as prompting, but not exactly, but up to certain point it is correct. Anyway, you will get that clarity going forward. So in AI, first of all, we will use LLMs. So here, whenever working with LLMs, we don't always write algorithms for every task. Instead, we provide instructions in natural language called prompts to guide the LLM. Here you don't need to write any program. Simply we have to provide instructions in natural language to guide the LLM, and that instructions in natural language called prompts. So the LLM interprets the prompt and generate a response. So be clear, the quality of the response depends on the prompt, the model, and the provided context. And here you have to remember some points about AI application development. They are: traditional programming is still used to build the AI application. That means we need traditional programming to build the AI application. However, AI applications rely on LLMs for tasks such as reasoning, content generation, summarization, translation, and question answering. So, only for this logic, AI application uses LLMs, and remaining logic we have to build using our traditional programming only. That's it. Okay, thank you.